Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add an adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve. Now you have to make sure that you have a version which is above 16. I'm using version 18 for this video, so make sure you have that checked out before you go ahead and use this effect. Now let's say I have a video here on my timeline and it is all cut up into multiple clips. Now you can individually add effects to each one of those clips, but it will take a lot of time and effort, which is why adjustment layers come in handy. Now if you want to add an adjustment layer, just select effects, this button right here, and you will see an option where it says adjustment clip. Just drag this adjustment clip over and above the other clips, and you can increase the length of this adjustment clip by dragging it on the end. You can make it however long you want, and you can add any effect that you want to this adjustment layer. Now this adjustment clip can be used for multiple purposes, like adding a blur effect, or you can use it to add LUTs or other types of fillers or filters, so that all the clips that fall under this adjustment clip will get that effect. And yeah, just if you want to add any effect, just drag it onto the adjustment clip, and that is pretty much it. Hope you guys found this video helpful on how you can play around with adjustment clips in DaVinci Resolve. If you guys found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.